Hello and welcome to our SketchUp tutorials for beginners. One of the easiest ways to render with V-Ray in SketchUp is using the interactive rendering. You can start by clicking on the shortcut in the V-Ray toolbar. The interactive rendering allows you to see any change you make in the scene instantly without having to press render every time. It works at any stage of the scene, even when modeling, allowing you to have a better idea of how the final scene would look. As you can see from this sandcastle example, V-Ray renders directly from your initial SketchUp workflow without the need to change anything you don't want to. Of course, there are many ways to customize your scene from then on. The main controls of V-Ray in SketchUp are in the Asset Editor, where you can, for example, change the rendering resolution. One of the main strengths of V-Ray's interactive rendering is allowing you to quickly adjust the illumination in your scene. In this interior example, there is a gray material override on the whole scene in order to focus only on illumination. Here, it is coming from the window, and it is only the original SketchUp sun system rendered as a more realistic-looking V-Ray sun and sky system. By changing the time of the day, from the Shadows menu on the right, you can quickly see the different illumination coming from the window and decide what is the right atmosphere and feeling for your scene. The interactive render continues rendering over time, so if you leave it to render alone for a while, the quality of the image will become better without the need to change any setting. V-Ray's interactive rendering is a great tool for developing the look of your scene at any stage of the creative process. It can be used from modeling to final adjustments as a fast way to see what is going on and adjust on time. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on how to use SketchUp. Have questions? Consider getting SketchUp Pro or want to get in touch? Feel free to find us at www.aeco.space. See you next time.